What's up, guys? Again, you know what we're doing here. We're doing the job thing, right? Again. Ooh, very good. Very good. Already one off the bat. That usually does not happen. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it already. But at least it's one, right? Alright, let's get into the next one. Let's do some job seeking, right? Uh, what is this? Ah, no way. Not good, not good, not good. Okay, I think that's pretty much it as well. Alright, let's go to WordPress. Let's see. Let's see what's available. Let me actually translate it for you guys so you know what's going on. Okay, nothing. Alright, let's try some other keywords here. CSS. Right? Let's do 24 hours. Nothing. Okay, no worries. How about JavaScript? That's some common. Oh, sort by date. 24 hours. JavaScript. Junior software developer lease car training. What am I doing? Orica Apex. Okay, I have no idea what it is. I'm not gonna even bother. Junior database developer. I don't develop databases. Oh, also with Oracle. Okay, let's see here. Not too bad. Next one. Oh, that is it? That is it for the last 24 hours? That's not good. Okay, let's try some other keywords. How about Framer? We haven't tried Framer in a while. Right? Alright. What is this? Experience design internal. Um, what you bring? I have no idea what this is. Experience. Are you fascinated how people interact with products, services, and systems? While looking for an experienced design intern who blends creativity. Oh, it's an intern. Internal. Bye bye. Oh, they doing all internals. Well, it is in Amsterdam, so 32 hours a week. Crazy for an intern. It doesn't even say how much it pays. Let's not do that. Alright. What is this? UX designer. I'm not a UX designer, but okay. Okay, that was Framer. How about Webflow? Webflow. Okay. There's no real Webflow going on. How can I even ask Webflow? This is pretty much offensive. Primarily with CMS problem like WordPress, Webflow. Oh, okay. They're not real positions. Okay. So we had that, we had the WordPress one. Let's see what kind of hmm. Let's just see what's out there, to be honest. Because we have a content editor. Because we haven't looked for it for a while, right? So, well, we have been looking behind the scenes. What the fuck is this? No, obviously not. uh, they're doing that dumb shit again. Okay. Mm, what kind of keyword can we use here? Web developer. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Strong experience with Flutter and Dart. That's not really a web developer, that's a mobile developer. Let's be honest here now. Okay. Golang. You don't even know what you're hiring. They don't know what they're doing. What the fuck is this? They're doing the dumb shit again. The Indeed. That you have the login with an account. Ugh, bro, get the fuck out of here. Alright. At least we have found one job. Okay. Let's go in what we usually do. So let's go to the app. Okay. So yesterday we had a little bit of a hiccup, and the hiccup is that we let's say okay. The hiccup was that it wasn't exactly working out should because we're trying to make a mobile landing page, and yeah, I wasn't really satisfied with the results. So especially because we are using SvelteKit, which is something different. Let's actually have some AI because this is going to be a 5 core project. It's not going to be like an expert SvelteKit because we're doing this for a resume, right? We're not doing this for let's just design. No, we're having a goal now. Later we can relax, right? So yesterday what I was trying to do, and I'll show you guys. Um, Let me go here. I was trying to do going to this, for example, right? Like a component, right? And we went to the navigation menus, right? And we had this menu, right? Oh, this is a menu, for example. What is this all about? Okay. What if I make this a little bit smaller? How does it look like? Nothing is happening. Okay. Okay. So there's no mobile view for this. So we have to figure out where we can find some kind of pre-made navigation, but again, we are vibe coding, we are not making other stuff, so. And yesterday we tried this one, but it just didn't work how it should, right? So let's open a component again. And let's do this one. Let's install ShetCN, right? Let's open up another build. Okay. Wait, what? The following package was not found. Oh, okay. I understand. Set CN. Get started. Uh, oh, there's no set CN for. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well that makes a lot of these things obsolete probably. Let me see. But how does it make it obsolete? Maybe it's the animation part. Let me see. Motion frame of motion. Okay. Let me do this. Let's go to ChatGPT. It's good that I know that that doesn't exist, right? For Svelte kit. Right. Okay, let's um how to install them for Svelte kit. One liner, please. Oh, ChatGPT is on it again. Okay, great. I want to know if is CLSX not a React library? Just asking. Okay, great. Now we can install these ones. Now we're gonna make a new prompt. We're gonna say, I installed these ones, but we are in a Svelte kit environment. Follow best practices using Svelte latest version. Okay. Um, However, I have a um, however, I have some React code, and I want it to work for Svelte kit environment. Also, the paths do matter. Okay. Um, so we're gonna try different states. Copy code. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Let's go to the other one. Okay. Okay, looks good. Okay. So how would I use it in, let me see which one it is. In first page dot swelled. Hmm. Do we have the nav items already? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, let's copy this one page by page and let's see how it works. Yeah. So it's gonna give errors. I don't think this works in Svelte, but we'll see. Yeah, it already is complaining. Um, oh, that I didn't know. That's pretty good to know. Okay. What was it? Okay. It is already in TS. Okay. Let's see. Not sure if this is going to work. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. We have that now. And the next thing what we want to do is we okay. Great. So we have this in our, if you want to have shown all pages, use it in, yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now. I just wanted to use it on one page because we're only gonna use one page. So, okay, this is the page dot swelled that we have. Great. We wanna go to utils and add this. Um, Let me see where we have that. So source lib utils.tsx. Utils.ts. Utils.t. Okay, great. All right, great. Now, this one doesn't exist yet, and we have to do this in a source because this is not a React component. So we go to components. Then we're gonna say UI, and then we're gonna make the file that's called tubelight navbar.swelled. Do you have errors? We do, a couple of them. Cannot find module. Cannot find module in lib at lib utils. Is that true? I'm pretty sure I made a utils folder just now, and I made it in the routes. So let's move that. Let's try it again. Okay, that is done. Okay. So it says here, did you mean motion? Okay. So instead of motion div, we're gonna say motion, and we're gonna rename this all into motion, and that's gonna give a class does not exist on motion. So I'm gonna ask for this problem for a second. Oh, maybe because of this. No, that doesn't matter. Okay, let's start with one problem first. Alright, and to live file. Also clashes with, no, not that one. Copy. Okay. Why did you not do that? You can clearly see me copying. You can clearly see that. What is the problem? Okay. Okay, let's try it. Oh. Uh, yes, I did. Okay, there's still one. What is the error? Okay, it still clashes with the same stuff. Okay. This still clashes with the same stuff. Okay. So it's undefined. Okay. Let's see. I'm not gonna bother. Uh, did it? It did actually not finish. Oh, it wasn't finished yet. Okay, that's why. Let's actually create this one and go back. Hmm. Yeah. Mm, okay, this is the motion part. Okay, that fixes one issue at least. Okay. There's a lot of issues with okay. Bro, there's a lot to go through. Um, okay. But I don't think that will solve the issue though. I think we're fucking up now. Hmm. Let's see if it actually still starts. Because we made a lot of changes. I don't think so. Oh. Yeah, we already have an internal error. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, okay. Because of this one. Okay. This is very annoying, the padding. Nice copy, bro. Just do copy. Like this. Still not. Oh, it is. It's just scrolling up. Okay. We already had feed config. Let's do swap config. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. let's just make a separate script for this. And instead of this one, we're gonna do something like this. Okay. Now, we have 3 warnings, that's fine. Um, okay, I hope it was a successful convert. Okay. So Svat component is not a thing, and we just say this one. Let's see if this okay, so it's no type of, just component type is, but that is deprecated. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay. There's a lot of context, bro. That's crazy. Okay. Mm, okay. I'm not sure if this works. Hey, bro, how are you doing? What's up? Mm, TypeScript be like. Okay, let's try this one. God damn it, finally. Okay. What's up, bro? How you doing? Let's see if it works. I'm curious. Still error? That would not be good. Okay, we have this issue. They are ambiguous. I know what they mean. They they mean this ones. So instead of it's actually loading. Kinda. Okay. Okay. So that is not an issue. Let's create self-closing tags. Okay. Okay. Okay, we don't have that currently. That's fine. So we want to go to page and all of them should be just an hashtag. Awesome. Okay, let's see. It's just adding more home pages. Okay. So that's one thing I learned here. Converting, right? You see this here. Converting is not a thing from SWATKit. Doesn't exist. Okay. Also, it loads very slow. It's not good. Right, and it forever adds, and it makes it darker as well. Look, that's just crazy. Anyways, we have seen how it works. So if we are able to convert, but there's a lot of issues. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say shed of swell motion use GSAP. So we're gonna install GSAP. So we're gonna say pn pm install GSAP, and we're gonna do that. So it's gonna give some issues, that's fine. GSAP is already installed, so you're wasting my time. Or whatever. Okay. Say the without running. Okay. Let's already installed. Let's see. Okay. No issues. But it's not visible yet. Oh, it's still oh, we got an issue again. What is it doing? Why are you using a ref? Okay. whatever. Dead content. Let's see. Okay. Well, it works at least. That we have seen. The problem is we don't get the benefit of setcn, unfortunately. So many of this code here is basically useless. So everything that's setcn is useless here because setcn specifically for React. So I'm thinking what the solution would be for this. Because not everything can be setcn, right? Well, apparently it is. Holy fuck. Um, okay. Is there shed? Okay. Is there setcn for swap? Alternatives. Okay. Maybe we can get around it. So let's go home. But I'm curious where this person uses setcn because I think this is the cn part. But that would mean I fucked my whole app. Okay, we had some utils. Please don't say yes. Okay, okay, yeah. Hmm. Maybe I can ask another question. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say I have something built with React and setcn, but I want to use SvelteKit for it. How should I solve this problem? It's not what I meant. Okay, I understand the ways. Um, okay, I need to think for a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to function component and let's see if he does the same. I don't think he does. So check the docs. Does he do the same? Let's motion react. Also, um, how I'm gonna respond to this? So now we know that this navigation is not necessarily the problem. So the only thing that we can do here is provide some. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Framer Marketplace. And let's go to mobile. Okay, we're gonna check these two. And what we're specifically gonna do is like we have features. Hmm. Okay, we have features, key benefits, smart tools, integration. Okay, so this is very specific. Let's go here. Okay. Mm, okay. So I wonder how I am going to respond to this problem. Hmm. Especially when it comes to testimonials and this kinds of stuff. And I need to figure it out now and not later, because else I will lag too much behind. Let's see what kind of yeah, we cannot do this kind. Let's grab one more for the marketplace. So let's do this one. Just to be sure. We can do something. What did we do? We said testimonials here. Why did we say testimonials? We have to do benefits. And we have to do testimonials here. Okay. Okay. testimonials. Okay, we have these things now, and ugh, how am I gonna solve this problem? Okay, component libraries that don't use chatcn. Flow bytes. Well, let's see what this is all about. Is it any good? Let's go to components. It's very bare bone, huh? Okay. I'm gonna do this. It's not that I cannot create it, but then a lot of things is going to be okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do? Buttons library UI verse. Okay. Let's see if we can find a good button. Looks good. Just wanna know. Okay. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, let's find a button and let's make the nav button for today and okay, open a new link. Can do something like this. Instra. Instra. Interesting. Okay, there's a lot of buttons, cards, loader, toggle switches. Oh yeah, okay. Checkboxes, buttons. Okay. Let's go to the next page. I like this one, but let's go to a couple of pages. Okay, so let's choose a button and let's make the nav bar. And let's actually do some kind of a logo. Fun. Okay, there's some buttons like this. Get it on Google Store. Some buttons are very cute. UI-verse. Okay. Okay. Fold me. Okay. Some people are so creative, bro. Okay, next page. Okay, let's do one more page. Okay, well that's clear. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a plan. So we have one of these buttons. Do we like this one? Or do we like this one? I think the first one. But on hover, let's see. Okay. And this is button 12. That's fine. Like you cannot create this with well you can. I'm not going to. I'm not gonna create dark mode. Okay, so we have our button, I guess. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT and I'm gonna say make this button primary blue when I hover. Give me the whole code. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna test it out, obviously. So what if I delete this and do this? Nice try. fucking ChatGPT. Okay, let's see. The text can be white, obviously, and it made it orange. Is in the blue state. Okay. Give me the whole code. Okay, let's see. But this button is fucked. ChatGPT cannot even do that. That's how bad it actually is, right? Okay. Well, if that's the case, I will look for another button. Okay, this one is fine by me. Um, on hover, I want the button blue and text white. They better give me the whole code. Crazy. It's making me really angry. It's just me. Span, above span, absolute before background blue, skew. Let's make it a little bit lighter blue. Um, okay. Let me see if I have typefaces now. Sky blue. That it actually worked was pretty fun. Okay. Um, great. HTML blue. Blue color codes. Royal blue. Okay, we have many types of blue here. Okay, how about this one? Okay, we have some SWOT code, notes, and we're just gonna call them button component in our resume project SWOT kit board, and we call this button. Okay, so we have that one. Now we're gonna say lorem ipsum logos. Okay. Okay, there are many types of logos, so pay attention if you want to notice. Right? Many types of logos here. Let's look for a good one. Looks pretty fun. That's all, folks. What do you mean that's all, folks? I was enjoying myself. Okay. What is this? Use in editor. Editor exclusive unlocked by personalizing a well. Ah. It looks pretty fun though. See details. Okay, so 00 007 DFC. Okay. Okay, so the background starts with 0. Let me copy this over. Okay. And okay, looks good. Copy this code. And let's go to our buttons. Okay, I'm gonna edit that. Great. Now that we've done that, and we're gonna save the logo as an SVG, obviously. Gonna say logo. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, so next time what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this with this other logo that we have, and we're gonna make a navigation, something like this. We'll see what happens. Alright, yeah, I think that's it for me. I'm getting really tired, so it's been a long day. See ya, guys.